Hello, I'm Jim Ostro and I'm the provost at Lasell University. So the very first thing I want to do is congratulate you on, being accepted to college. That's a pretty exciting thing. I remember when my kids received their letters of acceptance to wherever they didn't go or wanted to go, they were really excited. And well, you've been accepted to Lasell University, and that means we really want you to come here. It means we see you as ideal students for thriving, succeeding, and ultimately graduating from Lasell University on your way to really fulfilling careers and active involvement in your communities. Lasell University, obviously we're a small institution. We have small classes, very close student-faculty relationships, but we're also a small university that provides a lot of opportunities. I mean, we have a wide range of degrees that students can ultimately declare for themselves. We have a thriving graduate program, and we make it possible for all undergraduates through careful advising to start thinking about and preparing for their graduate education if they so choose, so that one more year and you can get a master's degree at Lasell University. And most important I want to say is our faculty. We hire our faculty with the premise that if they aren't passionate about teaching, if that isn't the most important thing for them, and supporting student success, we don't hire them. And so we have an accomplished faculty, experts in their fields, but they are dedicated most especially for one thing, and that is your success, your thriving and enjoying and just doing great at Lasell University on your way to successful careers and lives after you graduate. Our philosophy of education at Lasell University is connected learning. And I see connected learning basically as being described in two ways. One, in every single thing you do academically, in every single thing your professors ask you to do in your courses and your programs, you should be experiencing connections between those activities you're involved in and issues, events, and problems beyond the walls of the classroom. You should always be experiencing those connections so that your academic work really matters to you. It really is relevant to you. You really see it as mattering for the impact you can have in the world. Now the second thing is, so how do students experience those connections? And that is how we operationalize our educational philosophy, and the way we do so is by students always doing the work of the fields they're studying. Really feeling like in their activities, their academic activities, that they are doing the exact same kinds of activities and projects that experts and professionals in those fields would be doing. So rather than sitting passively in chairs and receiving information and then spitting it out to teachers, our students are working collaboratively with teachers on the same kinds of activities and projects that they would be involved in as professionals in their fields. And how do we do that? Well, there's so many ways we do it that I can't describe them all. One way is that in every single program that you pursue at Lasell University, you do one, if not several, internships. Sometimes they're called clinicals, sometimes they're called practica, but you're always doing at least one, if not several, internships. You do several projects in your studies, including often community service projects. One of the ways in which our connected learning philosophy is really captured in a wonderful way at the university is at the end of every semester we have what we call a Connected Learning Symposium. At that event, which is sort of like a conference, sort of like a festival, students take over as teachers and they present the results of their explorations, their projects, their creative projects, their research to the community. It's really an exciting time, and because of our educational philosophy, every next offering of a course provides different discoveries, different creative results. So the symposium is always a new, fresh, exciting representation of what students have done as active, budding professionals in the fields they're studying. So again, I want to congratulate you. I wish you the best of luck in your decision. And frankly, I hope you decide to come to Lasell University.
Hi, I'm Marissa Hasty. I'm a professor of exercise science, and I'm also the chair of the faculty assembly here at Lasell.
Hi, I'm Yavuz Kirmit, Director of Undergraduate Admission. If you are ready to become a Lasell University Laser, your next step is to submit an enrollment deposit at lasell.edu/ugdeposit. Once you do, I'll send you a new student guide, which will include information about things like picking classes, registering for orientation, and everything else you have to complete over the summer.
If you have any questions about anything you saw in the video today, Yavuz, myself, and really the entire Lasell community is here to help. We hope you join our community.